Alright, what's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. Obviously you can see we got a bathtub that's been backing up. It's like my light might not be charged, so hopefully this is good enough lighting. So we're going to remove the overflow cover. We got our Phillips screwdriver. Now when taking this off, you got to be careful. Sometimes the screws are long, but sometimes they're really short. And you don't want to drop it. This was one of the shorter ones, right? So that's that. Now, we're going to be using the Milwaukee, the M18, to see if we can get this cleared out. We have a 5/16 cable. All right, here goes. We're gonna have to tell the tenant that that got dropped in the water. Right now, I don't have it auto feeding, so let's try that because it doesn't seem to want to go. All right, so now we make sure we get the machine up close enough, have our hand, just so basically it doesn't force itself out, and then we're always going to listen to make sure it's not binding up in the machine itself. So we just forced it through the trap. So you guys can see the water's going down. So we did get it cleared. So we're just going to keep putting the cable in for a bit. If you guys are liking this kind of video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I make videos like this all the time. So nothing came back, so it could just been a bunch of paper. All right, that is awesome. Now, again, gotta be careful. You can actually see this isn't even sitting on there properly. Looks like this has been pulled to pull out, so they probably had to replace this at some point. So it's one of those things. Careful. Want to make sure in this situation you don't over tighten it so that it busts through. Okay, and that's where we're leaving that because we don't want it to break through. Alright, I want to thank you guys for watching. Until next time, this has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Taragna.